Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. So, in the last one, we got it all running and everything. I got a piece of metal I had found. It's bolted up, nut and bolt through here. Now I just gotta weld the exhaust to it. But before I weld these two pieces together and make it removable, I'm going to take and clean up that nasty looking exhaust. Yeah, that's disgusting. And I'm going to make a fan shroud for it too, because we actually got this bike sold to my uncle for his 4-year-old grandson. So, let's get to work. We're going to pull the exhaust off and clean that up first. I'm not going to bore you guys with it, but I'll show you before and after what it looks like. Looks like crap. Got some holes I gotta fill in. Little crooked Mickey Mouse kind of looks like. Looks like crap, but it's gotta look ugly before it looks good, I guess, so. I didn't really clean it up too much. Doesn't really look a whole lot better, but I'm not too worried. It's not gonna leak as bad as it did, and it's not gonna break. But now we are working on a chain guard, clutch guard. This here's a little piece of angle steel from a bed frame that I cut down. I drilled a hole over here, cut a little notch up here to go around that. I took a old cake pan and I cut me a piece out. This side was flat. I bent it up like this, drilled 2 holes. That way it's removable. I have a little tab that I'm going to weld down here to hold the bottom, and that'll be my chain guard. So I'm about to tack that back on and get this put together. It'll be 3 screws to remove the cover, and then 2 to remove this, but you don't need to really remove this unless you're getting rid of the engine. So this here's kind of permanent. If you wanted to leave it there, you can. If you want to take it off, you can. Got tab welded on. Got a hole punched in the bottom. So let's put this back together. Clutch ain't coming off. Now the chain is on. guys, and there you have it. Homemade chain guard. Time to throw the exhaust on. Alright, now it's time to make the exhaust mount, or the exhaust support. Alright, time to put a couple tack welds on it. Alright, just like that, it's done, guys. Now all I gotta do is figure out front brakes. I'm not gonna record that. That's just something boring. I might be painting this for the person I'm selling it to. Not sure yet. But yeah, she runs, she rides, she rips. Got a kill switch. But thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Guys, we got the motovox outside. Hopefully my little homemade tripod works. My phone's sitting on a box. Slide this jug of oil over. Well, let's tear up the yard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope that was a good video. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.